This is a quick video to show you the recent improvements in OpenAI's Python library. I started using it few months back when I was playing around with OpenAI's GPT models, but I haven't used it in some time because it requires the OpenAI's API key, and I'm already run out of my credits, and I don't really want to pay them for nothing because there are a lot of other open source models available which you can use freely or with minimal cost. Anyway, but if you are using OpenAI's Python library, then I believe that this GitHub repo could be of real value. This library provides easy access to the OpenAI's API from applications written in the Python language. The latest major update introduces key improvements such as improved error handling, optimization for embeddings, and integration of weights and biases functionalities. I believe that if you're not using this WAN-DB or weights and biases functionality, I would highly suggest you do that because it provides quite a nice instrumentation into your machine learning applications. Installation remains the same. All you need to do is to pip install pre-OpenAI or upgrade it. And once that's done, just import that library in your code and start using it. If you want to install the dependencies for WAN-DB or weights and biases, simply pip install OpenAI. And then you can also install the embeddings with OpenAI's API. And then there is also data libraries like NumPy and Pandas, which are not installed by default due to their size. You can install them by simply specifying data lib here. And if you're not already using it, and if this is the first time, all you need to do is get your OpenAI's API key, which you can get from the developer platform of OpenAI's account. And then that's it. And if you want to use it, there are a few examples in this GitHub repo where you can simply call that API with the model and then give it the prompt, and then it will return back the reply. So this is all there is to it. Pretty easy and pretty nice if you want to use these models, especially the older one GPT 3.5 Turbo, which is still quite good. Then you can do the completions and a lot of other sort of inferences on it. And you can also use the text models like DaVinci 002 with this completion. And there is also fine tuning available. For example, all you can do with you can create your fine tuning jobs by simply providing it a training file and the model. Then you can do a lot of management tasks on that fine tuning job, like listing the top job, state of the job, canceling, deleting, and a lot of other things. So this is it. I hope that you've found it interesting and useful. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will drop the link to this library in video's description. Thank you.